Hello friends! Today we are putting together super simple, little and tasty delicious recipe together. It's pretty easy in Sailboat. Without any oven, without any tool, we will prepare together. We will use sour cream, crispy crackers, and I will use another cracker. We will spread on crackers, cheese, creamy cheese. You can use whatever you have in the fridge. We will use with the dill and the mushrooms. On top of that, I will put a little bit cashew and the nuts and chopped spring onions and thyme and salt, and then just a drizzle of olive oil maybe and pesto sauce. Let's start together. It is not just a breakfast or dinner. It's in between, just snacks, and perfect with the Sailboat. The fresh herbs and the other dried herbs will help us to feeling like a summer. I am using the cream cheese with the dill. You can use also the goat cheese. It's also very good with crispy crackers. For some of, I will use this. For some of, I am using this cheese. For the others, I will use the mushrooms one. Smells are great. I am putting just a small amount of salt, and for these ones using thyme. For the cheese with the dill, I am using the fresh dill as well. For last touch, some olive oil. This kind of spread cheese or the goat cheese, whatever you want, it's always good with the nuts or cashew. That's why I am also putting cashew on top of that. The first part is ready. Easy and fast. For one of these, I am putting a bit pesto. Good match with the cheese. And spring onion for the others. and pinch of salt. And nut. Crunchy, creamy, herby and salty recipe is ready, especially pretty nice in Sailboat. This recipe is always great with the view of sea, especially while you are relaxing at anchor. Let's make it.